Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Ignore my scary as heck face mask. Today we're going to be talking about self-care and why it's important. In the spirit of mental health, we're going to be discussing a few ways that I like to just take care of myself, make sure that I'm happy, making sure that I just am in a really good mental state in my life or after a stressful day, how I like to wind down and relax and just take care of myself so that I'm okay mentally and physically. Yeah, let's jump straight into the video.
Hit play on your favorite Netflix series or TV series or your favorite movie and find some time to just be by yourself and take care of yourself, mind, body, and spirit. One of my favorite things to do to take care of myself and to just take some time is to do my nails. I do my nails every 2 weeks on the dot. I really enjoy doing my nails. It's something that I found that really helps me to just calm down, and it's so therapeutic. All I need to worry about is painting my nails and making sure I don't paint over my nails, and that's all I can think about. It's just some time to sit, to reflect, and to think about something else other than uni. I always try to make time to do my nails even when I'm stressed out with uni and have heaps of assignments, and I find that it really cheers me up and it just motivates me. After a busy week or a busy day of being at uni or work, I love to come home and change into my favorite and most comfortable morning gown and my satin bonnet. I love to change into stuff that's comfortable so I can just be comfy and warm at home. Then I like to start off by washing my face and then also adding a pore strip. I don't do this every day because it kills, but I try and do it every 2 weeks. I'm using a hydrating facial mask these days because it's really cold outside and my skin is dry. I love to put on masks and just take some time while I eat to just take care of my skin. That little bit of extra self-love and self-care really does wonders for your mental health. Obviously taking off a pore strip is a mission on its own, but beauty is pain. One of my second favorite things to do is take the time to take care of my skin and just wash my face and just take care of my body. Taking care of your body is a really great way to exercise self-care. Investing that little bit in that sunscreen you love or that skincare you love really boosts your confidence up, and it really does help with your self-care. And also taking that extra time to pluck your eyebrows or massage your face is just that extra time that you need to help increase your endorphins and just tell your body and your mind that you love it and you're willing to take that time to just be there and to sacrifice a little bit of time out of your day to help yourself. Also, having people to talk to. I love to chat to my favorite people, my favorite friends, and my boyfriend. Have people that you speak to regularly that can check up on you, that can give you some laughs, give you some banter, so you're just not in a gloomy, sad mood all the time. One of my favorite things to do is to dance. I love dancing in my room. Sometimes I'll just do this by myself at night, just before I sleep. Just have a little dance party on your own, boost some endorphins, and just have some fun. As a Christian, I always try to find time to meditate and to seek the Lord and to read my word just to edify my spirit. While edifying my mental health, I need to edify my spirit because they are all one. I love reading Bibles that have devotionals and Bible study passages, and I also love having time to just sit down and plan your life. Have a planner and put things in that planner so your life doesn't feel hectic. When you're trying to take care of everything in your brain and you don't put it to paper, it seems a little bit more unmanageable than when you put it pen to paper. I also have my devotional book where I put my goals, my achievements, answered prayers, things like that. I love recording down what the Lord has done in my life and what the Lord is doing in my friends and family's life. When you're having dark periods in your life, you can always come back to that book and count your blessings and see what God has done in your life and what God can continue to do with your life. Get your favorite Lush bath bomb and get that hot water running. Run yourself a bath, sit in it for a good 20-30 minutes and just relax your muscles, de-stress, unwind and just chill out. Another thing I love to do is just make my favorite drinks. It's the little things that count, such as making your favorite drinks. I have tried to make bubble tea, it didn't turn out too well, but I have mastered the art of making myself an iced coffee. I love iced coffees. It's just a gift for myself while I study or, while I do stuff that I don't particularly like. Another really important tip is to clear your environment. Your environment dictates the mental state you are in. If your house is messy, if your room is messy, you're going to be a little bit messy. So try and make sure that you spend time to clean your room, to clean your house, and make sure it's spotless so that when you walk in there, you feel peace when you walk into your room or you feel peace when you walk into the house. So these are the few tips that I would give you guys for just making sure you have a great mental state and you pamper yourself and you find some time to love yourself and take care of yourself. Mental health is very important, guys. Make sure you find time to take care of yourself. I hope you guys have liked this video. Make sure to leave a comment and put your thumbs up if you liked this video. And don't forget to turn your notification bell so you don't miss a video every time it's posted. I love you guys so much. Let me know in the comment section what your pampering techniques are or what you love to do to make sure that you're in a good mental state. I love you guys so much. I'll see you next week. Mwah.